I just checked in at the Club Med Dominican Republic and I can't wait to show you everything, so let's start with the bedroom. So let's do a tour of this beautiful room. Right when you enter, you have a little like seating area. We have all our stuff here. Huge TV, another seating area, and then we have the bed. I love all the details in wood like that, and then here as well. Huge flower carpet here, and look at this bathroom. It's like the most stunning bathroom ever. It's so beautiful. So you can actually close with these curtains here for privacy, and you have this huge beautiful bathtub, a huge shower. Love it. We have bathrobes here. The toilet is here. Love this wall. Double sinks here, and then we have a little like vanity area, perfect for makeup. Love it. In here we have a safe, iron. Let's see what else we have here. This is for like yoga, towels. Let's go to the next one. Lots of space. And then I think here we have a mini bar. And that's it. And I'm gonna show you the outside. I honestly think it's better to stay on the first floor or second floor because you have more privacy. We are in the like ground floor unit. So here we have our little patio. You can see the pool there, so it's not totally private, but it's pretty private. Seating area here, and then there's a gate that way, and we have that's ours too. Now that we've seen the room, let's check out the rest of the hotel and tour the property.
I never thought I'd meet someone so beautiful. I couldn't quite believe it was magical. Just kissing under street lights on our way back home, our way back home.
This is the Zen Oasis. It's adults only. It's my favorite pool here. There's a huge jacuzzi there, there's a bar, and this huge pool. It's very peaceful here.
As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya.
INDIGO is the a la carte restaurant here. It's also included, but you need reservations for dinner, but they also serve breakfast and lunch. They have several activities here during the day. They're having a fitness class there with this beautiful view, but I prefer the sunbeds right there. The beach is so beautiful. There's so many palm trees. I think I found my favorite palms here. Look at this. They're all three aligned. The watercolor is gorgeous.
Said you can do what you want to with me, yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright.
They also have a nautical center here where you can do all the water sports. I think almost everything is included. There's a few exceptions, but you can come here and check out all the options. There's kayak, paddleboards, boats, sailing. There's a ton of options, and you can just go and enjoy the day in the water. This behind me is the main pool here at the resort, and it's huge. There's enough space for everyone. They have some pool activities during the day, and you can also see the ocean and the palms from the pool, which is pretty sweet. And this is, I think, my favorite thing in this resort is the Creactive. It's a partnership between Club Med and Cirque du Soleil, and it's basically a training area for circus stuff. So you can practice on the trapeze, you can do all their kinds of jumping and tissue and trampoline. It's so much fun. Look at the size of this place. There's so many different activities to do here. And this is the schedule. There's adults only or kids or family friendly. There's tissue, trampoline, trapeze. I had so much fun trying to do the trapeze. I wasn't really good at it, but I need more practice.
Tell you was the end of the beginning. I'm trying to be careless with the signals that you send in.
After a couple days here at the Zen Oasis area, we are moving rooms to another section of the hotel called Exclusive Collection. It's bigger rooms, more for families. They have really nice amenities too. So let's go check it out. As soon as you go in, you have this little entryway. It's a 2-bedroom, so we have the kids' room here. So there's 2 super comfortable beds. We have a little office area, storage. Then we have a bathroom here with the shower. And on to the master suite. So we have a little office area here, the bed, super comfortable. Then we have a mini bar, some snacks, an espresso tea, and a little seating area. Super spacious. And then of course the view. Look at this view, it's so beautiful. And then we have the bathroom as well on the master. Let's see. It's a bathtub, gigantic, toilet is there, double sinks, and then my favorite part is that all their toiletries is from L'Occitane. I love everything they do. So spacious, and who's staying at this type of room, it's called Exclusive Collection TIARA. You also get access to a separate pool and bar and have complimentary champagne service after 6 every day. We are here at the Exclusive Collection section of the hotel. Only guests staying at the Exclusive Collection suites have access to this area. You have your own oceanfront pool, a little lounge area, and a bar that serves complimentary champagne every day after 6, which I love. So this is the bar, and then we have all those like lounge chairs, and the rooms are around here, and then they continue that way as well. This beautiful pool, it's an infinity pool. Gorgeous view, and then we have more sunbeds here. We are here at the spa, and it's all L'Occitane. They have all these products here. They're my favorite.